I get the fruit splatter. Orange, melon, strawberry, pineapple. What is the other one?
That's green.
Huh?
Green melon.
Green melon, orange melon, grapes, watermelon, orange, pineapple. Next, we are in croissant. This is vegetable with tomato and cheese. We have 2 boxes. Next is croissant again with ham and cheese. Very demand. There you go, guys. They will be served this morning. But we're gonna have lunch. Do we have lunch today? Yeah. So we see you later on, guys, for the lunch. I will show you the foods. Island INDAYLYNZ. So right now we're gonna have cupcakes for celebrant of fried man cupcakes. So this is what we have. We have 12 pieces of kind of this cupcake. The rainbow. This is called rainbow. You see. Lovely. So nice. I dream to make icing like this, but I cannot do. And also they have the unicorn with color of yellow icing with the cupcakes. The purple icing, the 7 colors of rainbow, and the stars with the tree. So guys, hi guys, welcome back Arlene INDAYLYNZ for my channel. We're gonna make the espresso coffee, and this is have how many? 6, I think 10 different variety of coffee. So right now we're gonna have the Longo Ligretto with this mix of caramel, espresso caramel. So we try to how it is, and this is with the color, you see, and this is the machine on espresso coffee. I just put my cups here, coffee, and I got put insert here. And I got a choice for the middle and first. There we go. We're gonna wait until it comes out the coffee. It's not strong, and we're gonna mix up with the espresso caramel for a second, and a press again there. Usually I will add more of water because it smells strong for me. Then after that, we're gonna move here to get some coffee, milk. Yeah, and I can only press this. You ready? For me, I need to add more of milk. I like too much milk. Hello. There's no milk now? Thank you. Here we go. We're gonna finish my coffee. Yep. I just add 2 sachet of sugar, brown sugar. Yeah. Bundaberg rose sugar. Hello. Thank you. Here we go. We're gonna finish my coffee. Yep. I just add 2 sachet of sugar, brown sugar. Yeah. Bundaberg rose sugar. Hi guys, this is INDAYLYNZ. Thank you for watching my video. Please guys, subscribe, likes, and share sa video natin. Yung ibang wala pang entry guys, Daylyn, baba ko yung channel ko dito. Tapos doon, punta kayo sa video ko, mag-comment lang kayo at panoorin yung ating video para may entry na kayo guys. One week to go, we're gonna be the raffle draw guys. At saka, ayan, ako mapasalamat sa mga kaibigan na hindi nagsawa sa atin at sa mga kaibigan na bagong pumasok sa atin. Salamat at salamat sa mga nag-subscribe din. At ako ay mag-e-end na. Salamat guys. Thank you very much sa inyo at paalam sa inyo lahat. God bless.